on the other side. Maybe you should come take a trip sometime. Oh, you seem keener when they turn to night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do a real country line dance today. It's a beginner level. Let's get right into it. So you're going to start with your right heel. So you're gonna do right heel. So the right heel is down, feet are up, right, and then left. So after you have your heel up, it's gonna come down. Same with the left, and then it's gonna come down, and you're gonna do 4 walks. So you're gonna walk right, left, right, left. Very good, and then you're gonna repeat that. So you're gonna go right, left, walk right, left, right, left. Very good, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, walk right, left, right, left, 1, 2, walk right, left, right, left. You're gonna do a lindy to the right, so just a step together step, right, left, right, and you're gonna rock back, back, forward, and you rock back with that left foot, left, right. Then you're gonna do a lindy to your left, lindy to your left, which is just a left, right, left, rocking that right foot back and forward. Very nice. Good, let's do it again. Ready, and right, left, right, rock. And left, right, left, rock. Good. So remember, the feet are right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good, let's do the whole thing from the top. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, walk right, left, right, left. 1, 2, walk right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now from here, your right foot is back. You're gonna go right, left. So, hold on. Your right foot's back, right, left. See that? And then your left foot's gonna come in, left, right. So let's just do our lindy from the left, lindy to the left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Now you're gonna do the opposite on the opposite feet, left, right, right, left. And again, right, left, left, right, and left, right, right, left, left. It's a little fast, so let's go from the lindy to the left. So it's left, right, left, ball, change, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. I'm gonna go a little faster, okay, ready? We're gonna do our lindy from lindy to the left. Ready, and lindy to the left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. It is very hard to say the right, lefts and do your feet at the same time because it is kind of fast. Let's go again, lindy to the left, and we'll get right into that new part. So it's left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Good. Let's go from the top. From the heel on the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk right, left, right, left. Walk right, left, right, left. Lindy to the right and the left. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Good. Keep working on that. Go back and do it again if you need more help. And if not, let's continue on. So, from here, you're going to use your right foot. You know, your right heel's down, and it's going to cross over your left. So you're going to go down, cross, down, back. Face the front so you guys can see that. Down, cross, down, back. Okay? So again, down, cross, down, back. We're going to take 2 steps to our right, right, left, right, left. Same thing on the left. Down, cross, down, back, left, right, left, right. Let's do that again, starting with the right foot. Ready, and down, cross, down, back. Left foot, down, back. Good, we're almost done. You're gonna step that right foot in front, and you're gonna do a quarter turn to your left, and then step the right foot, and do another quarter turn to your left. Good, and that's the whole dance. And then we do the dance again, facing a new wall, but if you want, if you're getting into the dance, you can add some hip movements. So you would step your right foot in front and just do a little bit of a hip action, and then step that right foot in front again, another little bit of a hip. If not, that is totally okay, to each their own. You can just do your quarter turns, which is just step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. Let's do it again. New wall, same feet. Right foot, here we go. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Lindy to our right, right, left, right, rock, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, and step, cross, step, back, 2 steps to our right, step, cross, step, back, 2 steps to our left, step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn, new wall, same dance. So the first wall, the second wall, and the 5th wall, you know the move that we just do before the quarter turns, which is the step, cross, step, back, 2 steps to our right, and then to the left. You're only going to do that on the first wall, the second wall, and the 5th wall. All the other walls, you're going to do it just a little different, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to face the back wall. Let's go from the top of the dance. So imagine we are on the 3rd wall. Okay, ready? And 5, 6, 7, and right heel, left heel, right, left, and lindy to the right, and the left, right, left. 1, 2, 2 steps to our right, stop there. You're not going to go to your left. You're going to do a step with the right foot, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. So instead of like how we do on the 1st and the 2nd and the 5th wall, going to our right and left, you're just going to go to your right. So again, it's going to be step, cross, step, back, 2 steps to our right, and then we're going to do our step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. Then we'd start the dance again until we get to the 5th wall, which imagine we're at the 5th wall. We're going to do the step. So have your right foot out, step, cross, step, back, 2 steps to your right, and then you do it on your left. Step, cross, step, left, 2 steps to your left, then you step on that right foot, quarter turn, step, quarter turn. So again, huge reminder, you're only going to the right and left on the 1st, 2nd, and 5th wall. The rest is only going to be on the right. Okay, let's do the dance. Imagine without the music, but we're going to try to go with the speed, okay? So I'm not going to say rights or lefts or anything like that. Here we go. But I will let you guys know we are starting on our right foot. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would be the dance fully, pretty much to the speed with the music, which there will be a video for that coming very soon with the music, so please stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the dance. If you did, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up just to show me that you like it and you're having fun, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye!